Let's change your Instagram password when you completely forget it. Normally, when you want to reset it, you need your old one, but this is how to change it without entering your old Instagram password. To start, you can open your Instagram application like this. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Then you will get this Meta account option. After opening Meta account, select the second one, login and security. Then you have to select the second one again, change password under login and recovery. Here under change password, just tap on this blue color option called forgot your password. Like this, then it will send a recovery link to your default email address. Then you can go to your email address or phone number. Then you will receive an email or SMS. Then if you open that email, you will get this kind of option. Somebody requests to create a new password. So all you have to do, just tap on this blue color option called change password on Instagram. If you connected to multiple accounts to Meta Account Center, it will change or it will set a one single password for all your fewer Meta accounts. So just tap on change password on Instagram button, then you will be redirected to your Instagram account. But if this option is not available, you can recover your Instagram password. You can find that video link in the description like this. Then sometime you will get this message. It asks you to save your login information. You can just tap the save button. Then you will get this create new password option. Here, Instagram allows you to create a new password without having any of your old password. So enter your new password. Then if you want, you can check this option. It will log out all other devices when you create a new password. Like this, I will enter my new password. Then this password will be set for all of your Meta account. So just tap continue. Then your new password will be saved and you can log back into your Instagram account using this new password. But unfortunately, if this not option is available for you, you can completely recover your Instagram account. To recover your account, either you can click this end screen video or you can find the link in the description. So see you in the latest tutorial.